Hi, hello. My name is Chidanand, a final year BMS student. Today we are going to discuss about Ayurveda Darshana Nirupana. We completed the first chapter, that is Ayurveda Nirupana. Now we are moving towards Ayurveda Darshana Nirupana. In this chapter we study introduction, Darshana definition, types of Darshana, and Astika Darshana, Nastika Darshana, and Astika Nastika Darshana. First of all, what is Darshana? Someone said it is observance, to observe something, to observe something. Someone said it is means to attain the knowledge. Okay. Now, Nirukti of the Darshana. Nirukti of the Darshana. Darshana, the word, it is derived from the Drush Dhatu. Drush Dhatu and Lut Pratyaya. Darshana, the word, it is derived from Drush Dhatu and Lut Pratyaya. Drush means to observe. Drush means to observe. Vision. Drush Dhatu and Lut Pratyaya. Definition of the darshana means drushyate iti darshanam. Drushyate iti darshanam. Drushyate iti darshanam. Drushyate anena iti darshanam. Drushyate iti darshanam and drushyate anena iti darshanam. Darshanas are media through which the reality of the world can be seen. The reality of the world can be seen means it is the means it is the means it is the media it is the media to get valid knowledge, to get valid knowledge. It is the media through which we get the valid knowledge, that is called as darshana, that is called as darshana. Drushyati srushti swarupam iti darshanam. Drushyati srushti swarupam iti darshanam. Darshanas are media through which the reality of the world can be seen. The reality of the world can be seen. Darshana deals with yatartha jnana sadhaka. What? Yatartha jnana sadhaka. Yatartha jnana means valid knowledge or true knowledge. This is called as darshana. This is called as darshana. Okay. Now, how these darshanas are originated means Vedas gives birth to Upanishads. Upanishads gives birth to darshanas. In real, darshanas are derived from Vedas only, right? But Vedas gives birth to Upanishad, Upanishad gives birth to darshanas. Okay, this is the origin of darshana. This is origin of darshana. Now we move towards enumeration of the darshana. Different literature said different numbers. According to Tarka Sangraha, 363 darshanas are said. According to Kriyavadi, 180 darshanas are said. According to Akriyavadi, 84 darshanas are explained. Okay. In general, darshana, physical, physical, intellectual, and spiritual, all sciences are included under darshanas. What darshana gives us means a true knowledge, a valid knowledge that improves our knowledge, that what we get from the darshanas. Okay. Now we discuss types of darshana. Now we discuss types of darshana. In literature, it is divided into Astika Darshana, Nastika Darshana, and Astika Nastika Darshana. Three types of darshanas are explained in our literature: Astika, Nastika, and Astika Nastika. Now we move towards the Astika Darshana first. In today's class, we discuss only about the Astika Darshanas and its types. Okay. Astika definition: आस्ति परलोक इत्येवं मतिर्यस्य स आस्तिकः. आस्ति परलोक इत्येवं मतिर्यस्य स आस्तिकः. Those who believe in paraloka, those who believe in paraloka and Ishvara, those who believe in Ishvara and in paraloka, those are called as astikas. Okay. Those who believe in Ishvara means he is ultimate God and authentic Vedas and Punarjanma, rebirth and past deeds, the fate of the past deeds, and believe in Swarga means heaven, and separate entity of Atma from the Sharira, and separate entity of the Atma from Sharira. Those who believe in Ishvara, Veda, Punarjanma, Karmapala, Swarga, and separate entity of the Atma from Sharira, those are called as Astikas. Those are called as Astikas. Okay. Total 6 darshana comes under how many darshanas? Total 6 darshanas comes under Astika darshana. They are Vaisheshika Darshana, Nyaya Darshana, Sankhya Darshana, Yoga Darshana, Purva Mimamsa, and Uttara Mimamsa. Uttara Mimamsa, it is also called as Vedanta Darshanas. Total 6 Darshanas comes under Astika Darshana. Astika Darshanas are also called as Vaidika Darshana. What? Vaidika Darshana. This is Sutrakarta. This is commentator. This is important for 1 marks MCQs. Okay. Vaisheshika Darshana. It is written by Maharshi Kanada. Vaisheshika Darshana. It is written by Maharshi Kanada, and commentator of Vaisheshika Darshana is Prashasthapada. Written by Kanada and commentator is Prashasthapada. Second Darshana, that is Nyaya Darshana. Nyaya Darshana is written by Gautama Muni and commentator is Vatsyayana. Third one is Sankhya Darshana. It is written by Kapila Maharshi and commentator is Gaudapada. Fourth one is Yoga Darshana. It is written by Patanjali and the commentator is Vyasa. Purva Mimamsa, it is written by Jaimini and commentator is Shabaraswamy. Uttara Mimamsa, it is written by Vyasa and commentator is Shankaracharya. Uttara Mimamsa, it is also called as Vedanta Darshana. Remember this. In this MCQ, very important MCQ. हर साल पूछते MCQs. Okay. In Darshana, you can get 10 marks question. You can get 5 marks question. You can get and MCQs. You must and should read the Darshana. It is very, very important chapter. Remember this. Total 6 Darshanas are explained under Astika. Okay. Now we discuss Astika Darshanas one by one. In exams, 10 marks questions, 5 mark questions and MCQ questions may be asked. how to write in exams the questions of Darshana. You have to write these points. You can get 10 out of 10 out of 8 marks. You can get 10 out of 8 marks. पहले इंट्रोडक्शन लिखो, बाद में इट इज रिटन बाय एंड कमेंटेटर का नाम लिखो, बाद में सिनोनिम्स लिखो दर्शन का, एंड सूत्रास आर एक्सप्लेन्ड एंड चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन्ड इन दैट दर्शना, वो ब्रीफ में लिखो, और गुणा एक्सप्लेन्ड इन दैट दर्शना लिखो, बाद में पदार्थ प्रमाण त्रिगुणा कितने कितने हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू डिफरेंट दर्शना, क्या है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट है ना, उसका नाम याद रख लो, एंड वादास इन ब्रीफ शॉर्ट में बताना है तुमको, मीन्स दिस वादा एक्सप्लेन्ड इन दिस दर्शना, ओके, एंड प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द दर्शना इन आयुर्वेदा। ये सब पॉइंट्स तुम क्या करना है 10 मार्क्स में याद करना ही करना है, ओके। पहले दर्शन आता है, पहले दर्शन कौन सा है आस्तिक दर्शन में? वैशेषिक दर्शन। वैशेषिक दर्शन व्हिच मीन्स विशेष, दिस इज स्पेशल, दिस इज स्पेशल, विशेष। मैंने पहले बोला था ना, इस पैटर्न तुमको क्या करना है 10 मार्क्स के लिए फॉलो करना है। इंट्रोडक्शन में इट इज वन अमंग द आस्तिक दर्शन, वैशेषिक दर्शन इज वन अमंग द आस्तिक दर्शन। सूत्रकर्ता मीन्स इट इज रिटन बाय द कणाद महर्षि एंड द कमेंटेटर इज प्रशस्त पाद। वैशेषिक का कण है ना प्रशस्त है, वैशेषिक का कण क्या है प्रशस्त है, ओके। सिनोनिम्स ऑफ दिस दर्शन मीन्स it is written by Kanada Maharshi, that's why it is also called as Kanada Darshana, and it is also called as Aulukya Darshana, Aulukya Darshana. Next, the sutras and chapters explained in this chapter are total 370 sutras are explained in 10 chapters. How many chapters? In Vaisheshika Darshana 370 sutras, 370 sutras are explained in 10 chapters, okay. In first chapter they explained about dravya, guna, karma and samavaya. In first chapter they explained about dravya, guna, karma and samavaya. In second chapter they explained about navadravya. Navadravya means navakarana dravya, navakarana dravya kadinatma manah kalo disascha dravya sangah, okay. And in fourth chapter they explained Paramanuvada. In fifth chapter they explained karma. Sixth chapter Veda Pramana Dharma and Adharma. And seventh and eighth chapter they explained about Guna. And ninth chapter they explained about Abhava Padartha. And in 10th chapter they explained Sukha Dukkha Trivida Karana. Sukha Dukkha Trivida Karana. Total 370 sutras are explained in 10 chapter. It is important for MCQ question, okay. It is important for MCQ question. Next, total pramanas are accepted by the Vaisheshika Pramana are 2. Vaisheshika Darshana accepted only 2 pramanas. They are Pratyaksha Pramana and Anumana Pramana. These 2 only accepted by the Vaisheshika Darshana. Total in the Vaisheshika Darshana, total 24 gunas are explained. Total 24 gunas are explained. They are Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha, Sankhya, Parimana, Prutakva, Samayoga, Vivaga, Paratva, Aparatva, Guru, Drava, Sneha, Buddhi, Sukha, Dukkha, Ichha, Dvesha, Prayatna, Dharma, Adharma and Samskara. Total 24 gunas are explained. Remembering this is very difficult, that's why I made a trick. Remember these 5 guna. These 5 gunas, Pancha Mahabhuta gunas, okay. And Paradi gunas are also comes under this Sankhya, Parimana, Prutak, Samayoga, Vivaga, Paratva, Aparatva, and Atma gunas. I explained total 6 Atma gunas. There also comes under this Ichha, Dvesha, prayatna, sukha, dukkha, smriti. Total 24 gunas are explained by Vaisheshika Darshana. देखो वैशेषिक दर्शन कितना प्रमाण को बोला है, एक्सप्लेन किया, टू प्रमाणस, दे आर प्रत्यक्ष एंड अनुमान. वैशेषिक दर्शन एक्सप्लेन ओनली टू प्रमाणस. ओके, दे आर प्रत्यक्ष एंड अनुमान. प्रत्यक्ष मीन्स what we perceive through in front of our eyes, in front of our eyes are through the sense organ, that is pratyaksha. Aksham aksham pratijnana iti pratyaksham. Okay, anumana anumiti karanam, inference knowledge, inference knowledge, that is anumanam. And Vaisheshika Darshana explained three gunas, they are sattva, rajasa and tamasa. Vaisheshika Darshana explained two pramanas and three gunas, they are sattva, rajasa, tamasa. And Vaisheshika Darshana explained five karmas. How many karmas? Five karmas. Utkshepana, Utkshepana, Apakshepana, Akunjana, Prasarana and Gamana. Total five karmas are explained by the Vaisheshika Darshana. Utkshepana means abduction. Utkshepana means abduction and Apakshepana means adduction. Akunjana means flexion and Prasarana means extension. And Gamana means locomotion. Okay, these five karmas are explained by Vaisheshika Darshana. And also Navakarana Dravyas are also explained by the Vaisheshika Darshana. What are the Navakarana Dravyas means? Kadinyatma Manaha Kalo Dishascha Dravya Sangraha. Total five Pancha Mahabhuta, Kadinyatma, Atma and Mana, Kal and Dik. These Navakarana Dravyas are explained by Vaisheshika Darshana. Vadas explained by Vaisheshika Darshanas are two in number. First one is Pilupaka Vada. And second one is Arambha Vada. Pilupaka Vada and Arambha Vada. Now, Pilu means Pilu. Pilu means atom. Pilu means atom. Paka means transformation. Paka means transformation. Pilupaka Vada explains about Srushti Utpatti Krama. Pilupaka Vada explains about the creation of the universe. Paramanu, it is a small particle. The transformation of objects due to specific temperature of the heat. The transformation of the objects due to specific temperature of the heat. That's Pilupaka Vada explains. Srushti Utpatti means universe is made up of small particles. And also it is a transformation takes place. I give one example for Pilupaka Vada. Example, it is a mango. Okay, it is a mango. It is not ripen yet. Okay, it is having ambla pradhana guna in not ripened state. When it ripened, it converts into madura guna. This transformation, it is due to the specific temperature of heat. That's what explained by the Pilupaka Vada. Now, Arambha Vada, it is also called as Asatkarya Vada. This theory explains Paramanu are building blocks. Paramanus are building blocks of the universe. Means universe is totally made up of Paramanus only. Pilupaka Vada, it is also called as Paramanu Vada. Arambha Vada, it is also called as Asatkarya Vada. Okay. See, I explained total these points: introduction, sutrakarta, commentator, synonym, sutra, guna, padartha, vada. Now practical application of Vaisheshika Darshana in Ayurveda. See, 90% of, how many percent? 90% of Vaisheshika Darshana is Ayurveda. 90% of Vaisheshika Darshana is Ayurveda. Because Navakarana Dravya explained in Ayurveda also, in Vaisheshika Darshanas also. Triguna, Sattva, Rajasa, Tamasa. This is also explained in Ayurveda also. This is also explained in Vaisheshika Darshanas. And Pramanas, Pratyaksha Pramana and Anumana Pramana. It is also explained in Ayurveda, both Ayurveda and Vaisheshika Darshanas. And Vishesha Tattva. Vishesha Tattva. Vishesha Tattva. This is also explained in Ayurveda while treatment aspect. Okay. This is explained. Vishesha means special in treatment. Samanya Vishesha Siddhanta. Samanya Vishesha Siddhanta. Samanya Vishesha Siddhanta. Vishesha qualities are helpful to reduce the aggravated dosha dhatu mala. Which quality? Vishesha quality. Aggravated doshas are balanced. Dhatu satna. It is given by the Vishesha qualities of the dravya. That's why 90% of the Vaisheshika Darshana is considered as Ayurveda. This completes the Vaisheshika Darshana. We discuss other darshanas in next class. If you have any doubts, comment below. Like, follow, subscribe for more updates in Instagram and Telegram. For handwritten notes, you can join my Telegram. Thank you.